Now we have to make a decision based on these results. So they're telling me, so when I did all this other work, I found out there's a 6.6% chance or 6.7% chance that I'll be wrong if I decide to say that the new test is more effective and go with HA. And they're telling me this level of significance is 0.05, which is the same as 5%. So here's what I got to consider. They're saying anything less than 5% chance of being wrong is acceptable. My p-value is showing that I have a 6.6% chance of being wrong. So that's too high. What that tells me is I cannot reject HA. I can't say that the new test is any more effective than the old test. Okay, and you got to be careful. I mean, statisticians like to cover their butts, and we can't say that the new test is the old test is better or is true. But what we can say is that the new test isn't more effective. It isn't more effective based on random chance. This p-value is just too big to say that's true. Okay, it's within a acceptable range of, it's basically within the margin of error. This first one. Okay. The connection between confidence intervals and what we're trying to do here with the significance test is I'm going to calculate a 95% confidence interval on that test result. So there's my p-hat. Here's my z-star number for the 95% confidence interval, and there's the standard deviation that I calculated earlier. So I'm going to do this product. So I calculated that error, and there's my margin of error right here. This is what I'm going to add or subtract to my sample result to come up with my confidence interval bounds. Calculating my confidence interval bounds, I'm finding that I'm anywhere we're 95% confident that the true proportion of miscancers with the new test is anywhere between 0.1% to up as far as 17%. Now, because the old 15% value falls inside that interval, we can't say that the new test is any better, and that's what that large p-value told us. That it told us that the old value, the HO value, is going to fall inside our interval. I mean, if I could make this a smaller confidence interval, then maybe it wouldn't. But with the 5%, 95% confidence level, that's pretty standard. So I'm hoping that helps you make the connection between p-values and sig tests and the confidence intervals.